Alright, so I just got the Red Dead Revolver 3 Ultimate Edition. I'll just show you guys what it looks like here. I have not bought, I haven't waited in line to buy a new game since GTA San Andreas came out in 2004. Now this is the metal box that is in that box. It's not very, I mean, it's really cheap. Like real shitty fucking metal. Has 2 discs. The install disc is in now. And from what I can tell by this, it looks like the install disc is going to go to like there, I guess. Because this says data disc, and then all disc data. The disc that's in the PlayStation right now, it says data disc on it. But it's kind of weird because as you can see, the data disc, it's got 41 gigabytes. And the one below it, it's 89 gigabytes. So subtract 41 from 89, you get 48. So there's actually more data on the disc that doesn't play the game. That seems kind of weird to me. Here's what came with the Ultimate Edition. I am not going to turn that over so you guys can see the code. I'm not retarded. And this is a map. I'm going to put the phone down for a second so I can fold it out and then I'll show you. So hold on. Almost got it unfolded here. So, get it down on the floor here, it'll be easier. That's the back side of the map. Actually, start on the other side, I guess. So that's the front of the map. Try to get the fucking line out of the way there. Got a bunch of these fucking pictures, like, I don't know. Is that supposed to make it more realistic or some shit? So this is the old area from Red Dead Revolver 2. And this is a new area. Now, I read that you could play in the Mexico part. But, as you can see, it doesn't look like you can play in Mexico. Which is fine with me, because Mexico's a shithole country. Sorry to my Mexican friends, I love you, but I mean, I can talk shit about America. I'm going to talk shit about Mexico too. So it's all good. I'm an equal offender. You egalitarian faggots. So the caravan's coming up from right here. It's gonna go in, rape our country. So this is the back. It's like you know, like a real map. I take it you fucking millennial Generation Z fucks probably don't use real maps, so you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it's like a real map. You know, they got the zoom ups of the fucking towns. And it's got all this fucking shit here. I will say I'm a little skeptical on the game because Rockstar really pissed me off with GTA 5. I mean, I played the shit out of that game. I had a lot of fun with it. But, man, they really threw the fucking, the gaming community, the modders and all that shit, they really threw them under the fucking bus. So, we'll see how this is. I'm sure the single player will be good. But, the online will probably piss me off. That's the back of it. This is like really cheap, like recycled vibrator battery fucking metal case here. Oh, I didn't go through this shit here. Again, not gonna flip that over because I'm not a retard. Fuck this stupid map. Fuck is this shit? The fuck's this retarded ass shit? Yeah, I heard about that. Rockstar wants your data too. They're just like fucking Mark Zuckerberg. I got this other. It looks like another fucking map or some shit. Maybe this is Mexico. We'll find out. Let's see what the fuck this is. I'm gonna put the phone down. So hold on. This is not Mexico. It's New Austin, the place of the original, well, not the original, the second Red Dead Revolver. I don't know why the fuck this map's in here. I mean, they have the other one. I'm assuming the other one, maybe that's only for Ultimate Edition or some bullshit. But, I don't know, it seems kind of fucking stupid that this is even in here. Like, how many fucking maps do you need, Rockstar? Hold on. Yeah, like, look, this is the other part over here. Like, I don't know why the fuck they need 2 maps, and this one is, it's much less detailed than the other one. Smaller, too. That's everything. That's everything in the PlayStation 4 Red Dead Redemption 2, or us big brain nibbas like to say, Red Dead Revolver 3, because we weren't born post 9/11. You fucking babies. So, let's see what's, shit, look, it's got a little fucking sleeve on it. It's like this is not circumcised. It's not kosher. We got the pictures of the migrant caravan coming up from Guatemala. They're here for your Red Dead Redemption. Yeah, that's fucking it.